Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of Earth Day, I want to show you how to draw two hands making a heart in the shape of Earth. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to draw our Earth Day hand heart, we're going to begin right here on our paper, and we want to make a small heart shape. Now, we're going to do this a little bit different. I want to start right about here, and we're going to begin by making a little line that's just going to go down and up like this. Now I'm going to do that same thing on the other side. I'm just going to go down, and we're going to go up. It kind of looks like two little evil eyes for a minute. Now we're going to make our heart shape. I'll begin right here by making a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down, and it's going to form that little kind of point of the heart. And I want to try to line it up right here with the top of the heart here. Now we want to do the same thing over here. We're just going to go out. We're going to come around, and we're going to try to meet right here at that little point. Now, starting right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down to right about here where that big round part of the heart is. And I'll actually bring it down just a little farther. Now let's do the same thing over here. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go up, and we're going to come down and end it right about there. It doesn't have to be perfect on both sides, but just try your best. Now right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come up, and it's going to go over for kind of like where the thumb would be. Now let's do the same thing on this side. We're going to go down, we're going to come up, we're going to go over, and then just curve it around here. And I'll bring this one up just a little farther. Now, starting here, we want to make some more of the fingers. Let's begin right here. Let's make a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down. We'll make another one right here that's going to go up. It's not going to be as tall, and it's going to come down. We'll make this one a little longer too. And then for the pinky here, let's draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to be much shorter, and it's going to come back down to here. Now let's do the same thing over here. So let's start right about here. We're going to go up. Want to try to make sure it's about the same height. We're going to curve it around, and then we're going to come down. Now this one, we're just going to go up. Not as tall, and then we're going to come down. And then the little pinky right here, we're just going to go more of like a straight up and then down like this. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come straight over here. And starting right here, we're just going to make a line that's going to come down to here. Same thing over here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then another line that's just going to come all the way over here to the end of the paper. Now, inside of here, we want to make a little small kind of earth for the heart shape. Now, to start off with this, let's kind of start with over here. We're just going to make a little shape that's going to go down, and it's going to come up and down here. Then we're going to make it go down a little farther, and that's going to come in. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go down, and it's going to come up here. Now right here, let's make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to curve around and then come down. Over here, let's make a little line that's going to go up and down. We'll bring it up out here, and then we're going to come down, and we're going to go up and down. We'll make a little line that's going to come up here. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go out and then down. Then over here, let's make a little line that's going to go down and then come around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of two hands making the earth in like a heart form. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.